like I know you don't want to step to this. It's the Jeep on.
Go to a day in the life of a college student that dropped out and is going back to school. Yeah, I know it's been a journey, but I'm going through it. So first I'm gonna get dressed, something simple, and I hit this traffic. This traffic is crazy during weekdays. Well, any day, period. It's LA. So I finally arrived to school. Before I start my day, you guys already know I have to go to Starbucks. Please don't judge me. I know I go here too much. Damn near every vlog I'm here. And look at this line. Ridiculous. But we made it in here. I finally got my drink and a sandwich. That line was long, but I was determined. And I'm so embarrassed. The barista knows my name and my order. I'm so embarrassed. I'm not gonna lie. That means I come here too much. But so good. I like how she wrote my name. And then, like, she only makes it how I like it. And then I got a sandwich. They didn't have the sandwich I want, so I got the alternate. So today is a full day of school and homework. So I have class tonight. So I have 2 classes back to back in about 30 minutes. And then I have a night class. I told you guys about this class already, where it's like a mandatory class I take. So I'm gonna be here all day. Last week I was late for class because after my second class I decided to go home. And then I did that. I underestimated the traffic and I was late. So this time I'm just gonna stay here. Yeah, so it's gonna be fun. This is okay. So I'm done eating. Now I'm going to, I've been promoting all day. I'm running about 3 different Instagram accounts. It's hard trying to build from the ground up. It's so difficult. But I enjoy it. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't do it as long as I have. I hope you guys are caught up on all the vlogs. This past weekend was Gardena Jazz Fest. And when I was so amazed, shocked, all that, I'm so grateful. Like, we made so many sales. We have so much new content. So many people who's following us now. It's just amazing. Like, the outcome of this pop-up that we just did was the best out of all the pop-ups that we did ever. Now, me and my mom was talking about this because, like, we were so amazed because we've been doing Gardena's Jazz Fest for about 5 years now, but you know, me and my mom we don't give up. We're very determined people. So, you know, the sales are always good, but this time was the best for us. Now let me explain why. Well, this is our theory. So now it's under a new team of people running this event. Usually it's this lady, I think she was on the blog before. She was very strict and she was about money, everything she charged extra for. And her last event she had over 200 vendors, right? Keep that in the back of your mind. Anyway, so it's a new team of people. It's a different race, right? I don't think they know the potential of how many vendors they can get into the spot. So all they had was about 50 vendors, right? It was like less than 50, I think. Well, no, it was about 50. So they had 50 vendors, right? And they were so selective. They were denying so many people. They denied, like, all my mom's friends who applied. They denied all of them. And they were angry. They were trying to say that these new people want a younger crowd. They want younger vendors. So they think that's how me and mom got in. I don't know. I'm not questioning it. I am very grateful. So anyway, this event was less vendors, and our clothes were more. You already know how our clothes are. We sell club attire, sexy clothes, and all that, right? So it was a lot of other clothes vendors though. So I don't know. Okay, anyway. I'm sorry. Trying to be mindful of the time. So anyway, so we think because it was less vendors, that's how we did so good. I don't know, but it was amazing. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, go check it out. Like, I'm just so amazed, so grateful. Hopefully they let us in again next year, because it was an amazing turnout. It was a lot of people, no drama, no problems that I saw. The only thing I didn't like is like the food options. They have a variety of food options, so we resorted in a burger food truck. I wish they had like seafood or something like that, but anyway, other than that, it was an amazing turnout. I want to do more pop-ups. I want to do more pop-ups like that. I mean, that's not even a pop-up, that's a Jazz Fest. So yeah, anyway, that was the highlight of our weekend. Unfortunately, this weekend I have to work the whole entire weekend, so to deal with that. But the following weekend is when I'm going to Puerto Rico, but it's gonna be so busy because the same day of my flight we have a pop-up. So if you're new to my page, me and Mama have our own marketplace, but we have 2 other business partners that we go into, right? So that event is in 2 weeks. That's why we've been promoting like crazy, trying to get some more vendors. So I'm gonna leave early. The event's like over at 7. I have to leave by 6 and go to the airport. But the spot that we're at, it's about 15 minutes away from the airport, so I'm not really tripping. So yeah, next week's about to be a busy week for me. Well, this week too. This week and next week I have homework to do. I have to take down my hair. I have to pack. I need to do shopping, and it's gonna be a little, actually a lot. And I still need to finish editing vlogs. I have like 2 vlogs that I need to edit, because you know I'm still trying to post every day, because like I said in my previous video, someone said that I'm not posting enough. That's why I'm not growing. So I'm gonna try his theory out to see if my channel grows. I'm gonna test it out. Oh, people staring at me. But I'm used to it. If anyone else is a vlogger and you vlog in public, I'm used to it now. People will stare at you. But anyway, so today's not as packed. Last week was the first week of school, and it was so many people. But yeah, I'm still making good time. Class starts like at 10:50. It's 10:26 right now. I am about to, I guess, promote some more stuff, because why not? I'm out of breath because I walked up 4 flights of stairs. Okay. So it is 1:40. Just got out of my second class. My next night class starts at 6 o'clock, so I want to study for about 2 hours in here. I have a quiz on Tuesday, so I'm gonna work on that. And then we'll get some food. I'm gonna eat dinner here and try my phone too. So yeah, doing some studying in. Okay, so I'm done studying and submitting homework. So now I'm at the cafe eating at El Poloco. Anything? So I'm getting no bag for this. It's fine. It's fine. What's the whole vibe in here? Okay, so this is my camera. I've been spending a lot of money today too. This is ridiculous. I'm just realizing it. Well, I realize it every day. Okay, so let's try this smoothie. Pina colada. It's supposed to be yogurt, pina colada, something else in here. It's okay. It's okay. Hold on. Okay, so we have to go to class. Okay, so the lighting is better. Okay, so I'm headed to my last class of the day. Today's been a busy day for me, but I accomplished a lot. I'm very proud of myself. It's actually not that bad. I think I have a new addiction now. It was so crazy because I wanted to go back to Starbucks. You know, I went to Starbucks earlier today, like every damn day. And I saw this place. I saw somebody having smoothies and she had like a smoothie bowl or something. I don't know. So I'm like, let's try that, something different. And I'm really happy now. I like this place. And not that bad. $6. Not that bad. Okay guys, so I just did those 4 flights of stairs. Right now I'm just charging my phone. I got like 30% left. And I'm just waiting for class. So after class I'm just gonna work on homework. I need to edit yesterday's vlog and yeah, that's it. I'm not doing anything else fun today and tomorrow morning I have to work, so I'm gonna see you guys in my next vlog.